Delicious. Pumpkin protein shake, 2 ways. Check it out. You're gonna really like it. It's like a liquid pumpkin pie without the chunky crust. It's that time of year where pumpkin flavors prevail. I've been perfecting this pumpkin protein shake recipe over the last month. I've got a blender version and a shaker bottle version. So if you don't have a blender, you can do it in a shaker bottle, and there's options. You can go with your favorite protein powder. This is unsponsored, whether it's a vegan-based powder or a whey powder, up to you. Same thing with the liquids. I use vanilla almond milk and sometimes regular milk. So we're gonna do it up 2 ways to show you options. The basic recipe only requires 1, 2, 3 ingredients plus ice. But if you want to jazz it up a little bit, I've got some options. So the first thing we're going to do is take a cup of ice, put it in a blender. Or, in this case, in the shaker bottle, I'm using crushed ice just to speed it along. The shaker bottle is not going to be as smooth as the blender version, although the pumpkin is thick, so it gives it a nice texture, but it's a little clumpy with the ice. Unless you can shake so much that you take the crushed ice and make it into a smoothie. That would take a long time. Let's start with the protein powder. A regular serving of this protein powder is 2 scoops. I'm going to use a heaping 1, but you could put a 2 in there. Heaping 1 and that one. Okay, so that's your protein powder. Okay, and then I've already opened up a can. You want the pumpkin, you want the pure pumpkin, nothing else. And you can amazingly buy this at any time of year. And 2 heaping tablespoons of the pumpkin. Put it in there. And put it in there. Okay, so this is where the recipe can divert. Now, in this one, I'm going to actually use almond milk. And I'm going to put about a cup of almond milk in there. 8 to 10 ounces maybe. And on this one, I'm going to use milk. Regular milk, or 1%, 2%, totally up to you, in here. Now, in the shaker bottle, I only fill it up half the way at this point, because it gives it room to shake. This is where you can go into a little more flavoring. A dash of cinnamon in there, and a dash of cinnamon in here. This is just a preference to make it a little sweeter. Maybe 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 drops of stevia. Now we're going to put the top on this. And the top on this. And make sure everything's secure. I can't tell you how many times this has not been down and shake everywhere. So you just shake it for all you're worth. Just keep shaking, shake it. Get some of the stuff out of the way. Here we're going to hit milkshake or smoothie, it doesn't matter, totally up to you. The protein powder and the pumpkin thicken up the shake. Now, if you didn't want all the way almond milk or you didn't want all the way milk, you could add water at this point to make it more of a drink, less of a shake. So clean this up here. Shake it. Blend it. Now I'm just going to open this up and pour a little bit more milk. Again, if you wanted it thinned out, you could put water in at this point. Make sure it's covered. One more final shake. And pour. It's got a nice light pumpkin orange color to it. Here's the shake. One more time. Pumpkin shake 2 ways. Oh man. It's like liquid pumpkin pie. Absolutely crazy delicious. Check it out. I think you're gonna like it. Thumbs up and comments, always appreciate it. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in all sorts of recipes, health tips, making and breaking things, designs of all kinds, home repairs, I do costumes, cosplay, and props. Check out my channel and please subscribe. Because you never know. Oh man. What you're gonna taste.